Okay, now we have how many? 7-8 seedlings of cauliflower ready over here, and we are giving the fertilizer to all these. This way they will be more healthy and have good quality of cauliflower. Good. I have planted some cauliflowers in the pots also. One pot has one cauliflower seedlings. So we'll see, check it out how they turn out. I hope that they will turn out good. Now we have the fertilizer in it. Now Kanbai is going to give them water. In the seedlings. At the moment you will see that leaves are drooping down because we have freshly planted them, but in a day or two they will all be standing straight and will be healthy and will hopefully produce some good quality of cauliflower. I'll keep you updated. Thank you.